Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal limited account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow these sports or PayPal sports article. And from here, we can learn how to remove the limitation from the account. And as you can see, limited account means that you won't be able to do certain things with your PayPal account, such as uh, sending money or withdrawing money and some other features. And as you can see, to complete some steps to remove your account limitation, you will need just to provide some identification items such as the copy of your ID or passport or anything uh, that can verify your identity. And basically, you can do that just to go in the resolution center or the support. And as you can see, you can simply go to the resolution center and from there you can start giving them your request or your opinion request. So here, let's just log in into the account. And now after that we have logged in, we can simply just report a problem so you can create a new case. So from here, I'm just going to click on report a problem and then you will need just to go first to the help so we can start having our case that will be open. So here I'm just going to the help and then we can simply go to the support, and if your account was limited you would find it in the resolution center. So basically you will find all your open cases here, and then you will need just to click on the one that says your account is limited or anything, and then you will need just to follow up the instructions prompted there. So you will need just to import some documents or whatever you are instructed to do so. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.